Hi, I'm Thomas DeBenedetto of Thomas DeBenedetto and Associates, workers' compensation attorneys in San Diego, California for the past 34 years. I have represented thousands of injured workers and have collected over $1 billion in benefits. What often happens to injured workers when they're injured on the job is that they see a treating physician who indicates whether they can return to work or not. Very often, it is the goal of the treating physician and the employer and the insurance company to get that injured worker back to work at all costs. A lot of times, the treating doctor will give you work restrictions, and you bring those work restrictions to your employer. If your employer has modified duty available, then you are required to work. But what often has, and what I've seen over many years, is that it is fake modified duty. The employer really doesn't comply with the work restrictions given by the doctor, and you return to work and your injuries are getting worse. That is a no-no. You immediately contact a workers' compensation attorney. One of the first things I always tell injured workers, go to work, perform the job. If they violate your work restrictions, immediately contact your attorney, immediately contact the doctor, inform the doctor that your work restrictions are being violated, document it in writing, and the attorney will take the case to hearing if necessary. Do not let the employer get away with that. That is not to your benefit. That'll make your injury worse and prolong your case and any financial distress that you're in.